láṣọ gẹ́rẹ́ tí inú rẹ̀ gẹ́rẹ́ wé kó lè ṣe gbàgbó tó wá sí oríṣiríṣi níbi náà. Ọ̀dọ̀ ọkọ̀ máa ń ọ̀kàgbà kan ọ̀pọ̀wé jẹ́ kí gàdé àyíbára ra àkáàkiri. Àkíwé kẹ́kọ̀ọ́gì ààrẹ ìrọ̀ ó dà yẹ kóró rẹ̀ o. Ó pẹ́ jí wọ́n dàbí débi jọ̀rọ̀ fún ọ̀nà ìṣíkálẹ̀ mi ló gbowó èmi ìyẹn tó dẹ̀sí ní àmàgé mi ọ̀lúùlù rẹ̀ mo ká dùn mo ká tó mo ká kẹ́yìn dèdè pẹ́rẹ́pẹ́rẹ́pẹ́rẹ́ bí ra ìràyíwé bọ́dáwé ìṣíkálẹ̀ tó pẹ́ jù ìwà bára mi nìkan àgbàjọ fún iná bá mi yọ o. Ọ̀gá gbọ́dọ̀ lọ.
Attaining the age of 105 is a major milestone in any man's history. Major milestone, and it calls for celebration. I cannot recall, seeing or knowing anybody who has attained that age. So today, anybody who wants to benefit from longevity, it is necessary for you to celebrate with Papa. Besides his age, Papa is our link with the past. Papa, represents a lot of things to us as Shekiri people. He's a man that is very thorough, a traditional man who believes in protecting and preserving the custom and tradition of our people. And in an area where truth is very scarce, for a man to stand against all odds to say, this is the position of Shekiri Nation on issues of custom and tradition, is a man to be celebrated. That is why we are here to celebrate him.
For a human being to live for 100 years plus, and he still mentors couples. You know, when we say somebody is mentors couples in law, it means that he is still stable intellectually. He's still conscious. His brain is still working 100%. It is only God that can do it.
Yeah, my father is a teacher, retired headmaster. And today, he has contributed a lot in the Ologochere family. He's the elder, he's the Olaraja of Japa today, and the head of Ologochere family. Papa has been building this family for years now. He has done well, and people know Papa as a truthful person, an honest man, a man that does not negotiate, things that are not right. In life, people does not like people that says the truth. But Papa stand.
The children of Ologochere, looking at our Papa, if this our Papa has done wrong, for the number of years that this crisis has been going on, the ancestors, I believe the ancestors and our God would have taken his life ever since. But I know, and all of us knew, that this man is standing on the truth, and the truth is the reason why he's alive today.